What kind of concrete actions do you expect from the Finnish government in this situation?
First of all, we want Finnish government, which is the majority owner of Patria enterprise, to answer if those papers which were mentioned in TV emission and which are supposed to prove the accusations against me are published publicly, that we would be able to defend ourselves. This is not the case between Slovenia and your national TV. This is the case between Slovenia and your state-owned enterprise, if the proofs are there. If they are not, we want them to say this very clearly.
The Finnish government has already said that this has nothing to do with this case, and therefore it has no means to interfere with this case. Does that satisfy you?
No, it's true that Finnish government has nothing with the TV station and with the journalists, and we don't want them to interfere in this part of the issue. But the Patria is state-owned enterprise, and if somebody said that proofs for these serious criminal accusations against the Prime Minister of one of the European countries are able to be found in state-owned enterprise, I think that we can say that this has no links with the government.
What is your next move?
First of all, we expect that this channel of your national TV, which issued the emission with this accusation without proof, publish also or emits also our replay. This will create the circumstances where we would be able to explain some things. But of course, if the proofs are not shown, and you should be aware that elections in Slovenia are after 13 days, that also the legal action will be taken.
Okay, what kind of legal action?
According to your law, you have quite strict laws, and I think that we all have to respect them.
So what kind of lawsuit are you thinking about?
If somebody accuses somebody that he did a very serious criminal offense, and those who accused somebody hadn't present any proofs for this, this is clear case for the court.
Has this process already started?
As I said, we are investigating all legal possibilities. You know that actually nobody in Slovenia, unfortunately, understands Finnish language, and it's vice versa. So I think that those who are behind this issue calculated, very precisely the time and also these circumstances. But nevertheless, we will clarify this issue.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. This is quite all, I think.
Yeah. Yep.
Are we in time?
We are in time.
Okay. Did you tape everything?
Yes, I did.
Okay, then you have your proof.
We have to be.
Thank you for coming. Really,
Yeah,
it's important.
Yes.
I care also what your public think about Slovenia and about me.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
May the force be with you.